In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change your password in Grammarly, step by step, in just a few minutes. Whether you signed up with an email address or you originally used Google to log in, I'll walk you through what to do so you can update your password safely and quickly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to app.grammarly.com. This is Grammarly's main web app, and it's the best place to manage your account settings. Once the page loads, sign in if you're not already logged in. After that, look for your account settings. In most cases, you'll want to click on Account. This is where Grammarly keeps your personal profile and login options. Once you're inside the account area, find the Password tab and click it. This is the section where you can change or update your password depending on how your account was originally created. If you signed up with an email and password, Grammarly should let you update your password directly from this area. You'll usually be asked to enter your current password first, then type in your new password, and then confirm it one more time. Make sure your new password is strong, unique, and something you can remember securely. If you originally signed in with Google, the process can look a little different. Grammarly may not have had a password saved for your account yet, so instead of simply changing an old password, you may receive instructions to create a new password for your Grammarly account. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Grammarly will guide you through setting up that password so you can use it going forward if you want to log in without Google. If you're using the email login method, take a moment to double check that your new password is typed correctly before saving it. Small typos can cause login problems later, so it's worth slowing down here. After you confirm the change, your Grammarly password should be updated right away. It's always a good idea to sign out and sign back in afterward, just to make sure the new password works properly. If you do run into any issues, look for any password reset instructions that Grammarly provides on the screen. Sometimes account settings can vary slightly depending on the type of sign-in method you used or the device you're on, but the basic process stays the same. Go to Grammarly, open account, click password, and follow the prompts to update or create your new password. And that's it. You've now learned how to change your password in Grammarly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.